everyone. It's been quite a journey for us lately with all the moving and settling into our new home. So, this Valentine's Day, Tanuj and I decided to keep things low key and stay in. It's been a roller coaster, and we just wanted to take some time to relax and enjoy each other's company at home. But of course, I couldn't let the day pass without a little surprise for Tanuj. So I'm thinking of baking his favorite chocolate cake. But here's the catch, it's my first time attempting it. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully, it will be a sweet success. Stay tuned for the adventure. Also, I bought few things for him. Like I bought him this T-shirt that I'm wearing. Actually, I just borrowed it for a day because I felt like this T-shirt is kind of cute, but it's for him. Apart from this, I bought him this sweater. Yeah, it's kind of a sweatshirt. So I bought it from Gap, and actually he always prefers any darker color like black, navy blue, blue. So that's why I chose this color, and I hope that he's going to like it. I'll tell him later that this is for him. So now I'm going to start my baking, and I think I'll fast forward my baking videos because I'm not here to give you the recipe. I don't know it. I'm going to use this channel Yummy Treats, and they have posted a simple moist chocolate cake recipe for beginners. So I'm just going to try it, and the reason that I chose this video because once I opened this video, there was a comment saying that even though I am only 11 years old, I made it for my parents and they loved it. So I'm just hoping like if a 11-year-old can make this cake, so can I, and I think my husband will love it too. So the biggest challenge that I am going to face in baking today is all of my kitchen utensils are still on their way from Toronto to Calgary. So actually today in the morning we have received an email from our moving company that all the things will arrive on 19th February, but because I wanted to bake cake today, so yesterday I went to dollar store and Freshco to buy a few things that were required for baking, like these. So yeah, I'm a bit scared. I don't know, there might be a few things that I don't have and they're going to use in the video, but let's see. So my cake is baking. I just have to wait, and meanwhile I did order some decorative stuff to decorate my home. Let's see how I'm going to decorate it without him. Let's get started. Ta-da! The cake's out of the oven, looking pretty good, except for those unexpected paper frills. Now, onto the fun part, frosting. It's my first time, so fingers crossed it turns out delicious. But hey, even if it's not perfect, it's the thought that counts, right? Let's add some sweetness to this Valentine's Day surprise. Hey guys, so my preparation is almost done. I have made the cake and I tried to do a little bit of frosting. I kept it as secret because now I'm going to reveal it in front of Tanuj as well as you. And I have did a bit of decoration just to sit around and drink and eat something. So I'll just show you.
What is all this?
It's a little bit of surprise. You can sit.
Nice.
I made this.
You did the frosting
Yes.
by yourself? Nice.
Isn't it obvious?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Good first attempt. I like it.
You like it?
Some of the hearts are good.
I brought you this.
Nice. Thank you. This is the color that I like. Thank you.
And I brought this too. It's for
Is
you.
it for me or for you?
It's for you.
Then why are you wearing it?
I just thought that I'll wear it for the video.
It's okay.
Now I have to cut the cake.
You have to cut. Come.
After baking my surprise cake, Tanuj had another surprise planned, a secret drive. I tried to guess where we were going, but Tanuj kept it as a mystery. However, I know him too well, so I changed into something nice and got ready for our adventure. When I was in India and Tanuj was living in Toronto, he made a special trip to Calgary just to explore Banff. From that moment, he always used to say to me, "Come to Canada and I'll take you to Banff. It's amazing. You will be surrounded by mountains. It's like a dream." I couldn't quite imagine it then, but today his mystery destination turned out to be Lake Louise. The drive was breathtaking. In school, we used to draw mountains like these, but being surrounded by them in real life was an entirely different feeling. It was truly awesome. The thought of Banff and its majestic beauty had always intrigued me. And now, finally experiencing a taste of it at Lake Louise was beyond words. was frozen solid. People were walking on it, some even ice skating and engaging in other sports. Nevertheless, it was stunning, and we had a fantastic time enjoying the scenery. After enjoying the beauty of Lake Louise, it was time to head home. Each moment in nature was special. From the frozen lake to the towering mountains, every sight was amazing. As we left, we felt grateful for the peaceful moments nature gave us. This is how we celebrated our Valentine's Day. While love isn't confined to just one day, moments like these add an extra sparkle to our relationship. Let us know in the comments how you all celebrated your Valentine's Day. And yes, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.